today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our actual contract so we can go over what we read yesterday concerning our RPC variable and printing it out. So as you can see, I uncommented out the print statement that we used for the RPC and the print statement that we used here to make sure the print statement was working. So first and foremost, to remind you, the RPC is our variable that we use to store our RPC underscore URL, which is the variable that we use to store our port number. As you can see, we ran everything, compiled everything. Everything did print out successfully. So you can see here we have our port number here. That's going to be right here, our RPC. And you can see underneath that we have Para La Casa de Gates. You can see that printed successful. And we have the rest of our contract, which we're not going to go over. We're just focusing on RPC right now. So as you can see, we got our port number right here, which is stored in this RPC, which is holding the RPC underscore URL, which is the variable we use to store our port number. We can go to our .env file, and we can see here, once it pulls up, this is indeed our port number, which is printed out. So everything did translate over successfully, and we were able to store our port number to the RPC URL. And we were able to store that to the RPC variable here, which we were able to print out and still get that port number. So everything is working the way it should inside of our deploy favorites.py file. So with that being said, we're going to move forward, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.